Do you want to earn income from AI art, but don't know how? You earnestly desire to create images using Midjourney, but you haven't been able to create the images you want? You must have missed a step along the way. In today's video, I will share a step-by-step guide on how to use Midjourney successfully. My favorite image creator is Midjourney, and I've been deriving passive income from using it for a couple of years now. It's simple and very straightforward. Midjourney is one of the many AI image generators. So far, it has been considered the best of them all. Once you've set up your account, all you need to do is input a prompt of what you wish to have as an image. Within a few minutes, the image creator will generate 4 different variations of what you wish to see. You can repeat the process or upscale the images. Once you are satisfied, you can then save your image. Now that you have a summary of what Midjourney is, let's proceed into the details of how you can use it. First, you need to create a Discord account. Midjourney itself cannot be used on its own in your computer system. The only way to use Midjourney is through Discord. What's Discord? Discord is a chat app. Midjourney needs this to accept your text, process them, and then generate your images. When you're done with that, the next step is to open a Midjourney account. To do this, open the Midjourney website and click on Join the Beta. You will receive an invite to join the Midjourney Discord channel. Click on Accept the invite and you're in. However, you can start generating your images. Now you need to subscribe to a Midjourney plan. Scroll the website and head to one of the newcomers' rooms known as #newbies14 and #newbies44. Type in the subscribe and then hit the enter or return button. A quick note: the / symbol isn't for decoration. You interact with Midjourney with a / command, that is the / symbol followed by the prompt. It's the way you tell Midjourney what you need to do. In this case, you are only telling Midjourney that you need to subscribe. Once you type in the / subscribe command, you will receive a link that prompts you to sign up for a paid Midjourney plan. It's so unfortunate that Midjourney stopped the free plan in March 2023 due to users misusing the image creator. There's still hope of the free version returning, but till then you can make do with a paid version. It's not too expensive. The basic plan is $10 per month to generate 200 images, while the pro plan is $60 per month to generate up to 1,800 images. You won't mind paying the cheap cost. Pick one of the plans, submit, and now it's time to head back to the Discord server to input the magic words. That's where you now type in whatever you want into the message box. If you are using the newbie channel, you will discover that users make use of Midjourney almost every minute. So, to join the train, click on the /imagine command and type in your prompt. You shouldn't forget that Midjourney is an AI image generator. What you send in as a prompt is what you get. So to get your desired image, your prompt must be specific. For instance, let's say you need the image of a schoolboy walking in the rain. You can type in a prompt after / a schoolboy walking in the rain. Within a few minutes, Midjourney will generate 4 different variations of the prompt for you. One of the images should match your taste, but if not, there are still more options to navigate. 8 buttons will feature under the images that you've generated. They are U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3, and V4. The U buttons upscale the selected images by creating a bigger version of them with extra details, while the V buttons create new variations of the selected image. And if what you want are new images different from the first, you can click the reroll button that will rerun your prompt and generate 4 new images. That's how you fine-tune and control the images that Midjourney generates for you. Once you're satisfied with your creations, what's left is for you to download and use them. If you want to get the full potential of Midjourney, don't try to get the perfect image at once. You can practice with diverse prompts just to have fun and enjoy your creations. And if you are finding it hard to send in the right prompt that will generate your desired images, you can make use of Chat GPT to create a perfect prompt for your desired images. That will be all on how to use Midjourney without any hitch. See you next time. Also, if you want to see how I'm making 100 passively every single day with 60-second short videos which are all edited by AI, then we have a free video explaining how you can replicate the same process in the description down below.